Hello friends, hi, I'm Santosh Kumar, career coach and certified trainer from Impact Organization. Today we will discuss about a very interesting topic, 7 barriers that might be preventing your career progress.
7 barriers that might be preventing your career progression. Source: MANOJVASUDEVAN. Barrier 1. Lack of will. Most people don't feel that they deserve a promotion. They don't think they are ready. Thought drives actions. They sometimes justify their lack of will and confidence by giving excuses. After my baby grows up or graduates from college, I will be more ready for promotion. Barrier 1. Lack of will. Things are going on fine. I don't want to rock the boat. I don't want the promotion. I want to spend more time with my family. There is no point asking for a raise. They won't give. Barrier 1. Lack of will. If you tend to do that, you are probably downsizing your dreams to justify your current predicament. Barrier 1. Lack of will. Food for thought. The higher your position is in your organization, the higher your power to delegate your work, the higher your rewards and the higher your control over your time. With the extra reward and extra time, you can do the things you love to do, follow your hobby, take care of your loved ones, etc. Barrier 2. Lack of a career plan. Have you ever taken the time to chart out your career? Wait, have you? Do you know where you want to be 5 years from now or 20 years from now? What skills will you need to perform well in that role? Have you been preparing yourself for such roles? Most people can't progress because they don't stay prepared to take on the next role. Barrier 2. Lack of a career plan. Food for thought. Spare an hour or two to think about your career plan. You will be glad you did. Your plan might change, but you need to be aware of what skills, exposure, and experience you need in the long run. Start building up your repertoire. Barrier 2. Lack of a career plan. You see, soldiers don't go into battle without their armor and weapons. Build your competence, particularly to lead, manage and persuade others. Your focus shouldn't just be on staying employed, your focus needs to be to stay employable and promotable. In other words, stay ready for the next level. Barrier 3. Lack of preemptive strikes. Who else in the organization knows your desires and needs? Most people ask for promotion during their performance review. That's often too late. Barrier 3. Lack of preemptive strikes. Let's face it, performance reviews are usually smoke screens, as the decision on you is probably made way before that. If you argue your case during performance reviews, it is already too late. Your boss will defend and not budge. Someone else has already taken your share of cake and eaten it too. Barrier 3. Lack of preemptive strikes. Food for thought. No one else can read your mind. Before you can receive, you need to ask. Personally, inform your superiors and key influencers that you are expecting a promotion by the end of the year. For example, I need your guidance for my career progression. Barrier 3. Lack of preemptive strikes. I am aiming for that position by this date. Based on your experience and expertise, could you please let me know what competencies I need to have to get that position? Now, they will be inclined to give you the expert advice. Barrier 3. Lack of preemptive strikes. This would also mean that you need to be committed to building those competencies, but at least you know what to shoot at. And your boss has a stake in your plan.